Let me know if you can see my screen. So, class, our topic for tonight is hand and power tools. Okay, as indicated on Seamanship 121, week 13. So these are the tools or equipments that you will use, no, on board. Probably some of you are already using it, no, like drilling machine, sanding machine, and cutting this and etc. Okay, probably. But on board, no, there are lots of tools that we use on board. Okay, so let me introduce to you the learning objective for this one is to identify the different hand and power tools. Maintenance of deck and machineries has to be carried out regularly. Considering the ship situation, various tools, parts, and materials are required to be always available on board. Clear and good understanding of tools, parts, and materials are beneficial for proper upkeep and inventory of tools. Why do we need to learn this? No, it's because if you are on board, no, you need to do maintenance. Why do we need to do maintenance? There's what we call the port authorities. They have these regulations that the ship should be ship shape. No, ship shape meaning SHIP dash SHAPED, meaning it should be spotless. No, hindi naman sinasabi na wala talagang kalawang or whatsoever, but it has to be avoided because a good presentation of your ship means safety. Okay, and also there are regulations like ISCOT, international standards on oil tankers and terminals. Okay, standards yon para ma-maintain yung mga tanker ships or oil tanker or chemical tanker ships. Okay, meron din yun sa bulk, sa container, and everything. So basically it's about the safety or SOLAS. So what are those maintenance tools? We have the hand tools, the hand spanner wrenches. There are different types of spanner and wrenches that are available in the workshop, which could be selected depending on the type and condition of maintenance work to be done. It it is also known as katala, no? You can also call this katala. Kapag sinabi mong katala, yun yung adjustable wrench or hand spanner, okay? It's used as easy tool for undetermined size of bolt and nut when immediate tightening is required. So ito yun. So this is the adjustable wrench or also known as katala. Adjustable pipe wrench is suitable for fastening, loosening small sizes, threaded pipes, and damaged head bolt in an awkward position. So these are for pipes. Okay? Sa pipes naman siya. What else? We have this lagging spanner. We have an open type and a closed type, or what we call open-ended slugging spanner and ring slugging spanner or closed type. Dito sa part na to, gentlemen and ladies, dito siya pinapalo. If you can see, it's like oblong, no? Dito siya pinapalo kapag tinitisahan mo yan, no? You take a hammer, a rubberized hammer or a steel hammer, papaluin mo yan para tumisa. So remember, if you're going to tighten, it should be clockwise. Counterclockwise is to unloosen it. Okay? We also have hook spanner. It's used for threaded cap connection with teeth to avoid damaging the cap. So for the hook spanner, these are mainly used for fire hoses if you want to connect. No? Ganyan lang yung itsura. And then we have offset spanners used when working in an awkward position job. So typically you can you may have used this in your motorcycles or even with your automobiles, no? Ginagamit to. However, on the other end, open type siya. So you can have open type on the other end, and the other is closed end. And then we have this square drive wrench, specially used for square bolts or handle. Okay? Kapag square bolts or square handle, ito ang gamit. Square drive wrench. Okay. So those are the different types of spanners or wrenches. Okay, even the pipe wrench, nakikita nyo, ganyan siya. Okay? Mayroong iba, may mga adjustable wrench. Like you don't need to remove just like this one or this one. Tatanggalin mo muna siya, tapos ilalagay mo. No. For the ratchet, ang tawag naman doon. For the ratchet, you don't need. No? Once na nakabite na siya dyan, dire-diretso ka lang, no? Na titisa. Ito yun. Ito yung mga yun. Ratchets. So here are the maintenance tools. We have pliers. It's designed primarily for gripping objects using leverage. Different types are available, which can also be used for cutting wires, crimping of wire connectors, removing of snap ring, etc. So, na-meet nyo na to, I'm sure. We have water pump pliers, combination pliers, long nose, crimping pliers. So, crimping, it's for wires, no? Snap ring pliers, end cutting pliers, side cutting pliers, vice grip. Okay. And then we also have scissors, okay, used to cut thin materials with a slight force. While thin snips or metal shears are tools used to cut thin sheet of metal, but are able to handle thicker and hard material. Three different types of thin snips are available: the straight, the left-handed, and the right-handed thin snips. Basically, cutting with ease will depend on the direction of cut and the tool you are going to use. So, you're familiar with scissors, left-hand snip, right hand snip, and straight hand snip. And then we also have hammer, used to deliver blows on objects such as spanners, straightening metal plates. Different types are available depending on the kind of jobs to do. Ball pen hammer is a very common tool in repairing works anywhere in the ship and in the workshop. There's what we call also the claw, and then the sledgehammer. Okay? Sledgehammer or maso. Ballpen hammer, ibig sabihin walang pantanggal. Claw hammer, that's for the carpenters. Then we have the saw or lagare, crosscut saw, hack saw, etc. Commonly used saw are the crosscut saw for cutting woods in straight line and hack saw for cutting metal rods and plates. Screwdrivers, it can be a positive or negative, used to insert and tighten or loosen to remove screws comprises with a head or a tip that engage to the screw. Common use screw are the positive and then the negative. Okay, you're familiar with those. Then we have the bolt cutter. It's used cutting small diameter rods or bolts with straight blade and cable or wire rope cutter used for cutting steel wire ropes with curved blades. Portable hydraulic devices, such as portable hydraulic hand pump, portable cylinders used for lifting heavy equipment. Portable cylinders are especially used for inching the cylinder liners for facilitation of easy removal from the casing of a diesel engine. So ginagamit to sa diesel engine natin. Okay, I'm sure you already met this hydraulic hand pump, no, for your automobiles, and also portable jack cylinders. Mas malalaki naman yung mga hydraulic devices natin sa barko. Then we have the called chisels and pin punchers. Okay, punchers or chisels used for cutting and driving metal pieces at work. And then we have those small things such as hex key or Allen wrenches or Allen key sets. No, they're used to drive screws with inner and hexagonal head in different sizes. I'm sure you know what those are already. And of course, meron tayong mga power tools. These power tools are tools powered by electric, meaning electrically operated, or pneumatic, meaning it runs by compressed air, and sometimes by gasoline engine. These tools can be classified either stationary or portable. Okay, meaning fixed or they can be portable. We also have the bench grinder. It's a machine that drives an abrasive wheel and may be used for sharpening tools such as for lathe machine and drills bits or shaping work materials. A wire brush or buffing wheels are often mounted in one side in place of the grinding wheel and used to clean or polish work pieces. Okay? Ang tawag dito ay electric bench grinder. Then we have the angle grinders, also known as side grinder or disc grinder, or simply grinder. No, it's a handheld power tool used for grinding, abrasive cutting, and polishing. Actually, yung plate niyan, pwede mo palitan pambato, pambakal, pang semento, okay? Or even pang debuff ng sasakyan. Okay? Then we have electric drill or barena. A power drill is a tool with an electrical motor that rotates a replaceable drill bit at your choice of speeds to create a hole. Okay, ganun din, no? May pangkahoy, pangbakal, or pangbato. So, the removal of weld, spatter, rust, or old point from iron work in a cold chisel is called chipping. So, ang pangtanggal ng mga old rust, ang tawag doon ay chipping. Used for chipping and rusting loose paints and rust ay yung, syempre, chipping hammer. Okay? Or, we have the jet chisel, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na ganun. Okay? So, for a moment, okay. So, these are the tools used, no? We have the air hammer. Air hammer means it's pneumatically operated. Nagro-rotate ito, pati ito, hinahawakan ng operator dito. Then, naka-connect siya dito. Okay? Okay. So that is all class for the maintenance tools, no? Yun yung mga maintenance tools na gamit natin. Questions? So it's part of our work, no, ladies and gentlemen. So probably you might be shocked, baka mamaya hindi kayo sanay sa mabibigat na trabaho. But then from now on, no, dapat masanay tayo kasi it's one way of learning yung gumamit ng mga equipments na yan. And of course, we have to wear always proper PPE before using those, no? Because it might give an accident. It might cause an accident for us. Okay. There's a video for our, what do you call this? For our topic. One moment, class. Let me just show you. Okay, nakikita nyo to? Hello? Do you see my screen? Do you still see my screen? No.
Hindi po. Hindi po.
Okay, nawala. Okay, let me connect you again. No? Let me know kapag nakikita nyo itong maintenance tool or chipping tools. Meron kasing video dito but I don't wanna play it kasi alam kong hindi nyo rin makapanood. Hindi ko na lang siya slideshow. Let me know if you can see.
Okay na po, sir.
Okay, so class, no? Ito yung bala niyan ng jet chisel, no? Pneumatically operated to. Ang gamit mo dito ay ere or compressed air sa English, no? Ito yung ginagamit sa pangatok kung tawagin kung magtanggal tayo ng mga kalawang. Part yan kasi bago natin pinturahan, no? Hindi natin pwedeng pipinturahan ng primer hanggat hindi pa natatanggal yung kalawang. And then we still have to wire brush it, no? Gagamit pa tayo ng wire brush after the hammering or jet chiseling, no? Okay. Then manual, you may use this chipping hammer and then this scraper and then this wire brush. Ito yung manual, okay? With other companies or with mine, no? We use the electric scaler or scaling machine. Pero with this one, heavy duty to, gumagamit to ng pressure, water pressure naman, blasting. So we do blasting to remove those. Hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng manual chipping hammer kasi sa sobrang laki ng barko, baka tumanda ka na hindi mo pa nauubos yon. So we use blasting, air yon, pero compressed air with water yon. So you have to use your PPE, proper PPE, your boots, your aprons, your suits, okay, your coveralls, your helmets, your eye protection, and your arm protection as well. Kasi sobrang lakas ng ano. Imagine that is 350 bars ang pressure nun, no? So malakas talaga, nakakaputol ng paa or kamay. Okay? Or nakakabulag kapag i-direct mo yung blaster sa kasama mo. So, be very careful sa paggamit niyan. Okay? Next. So, basic tools, safety rules, maintain regularly, inspect before use the right tool for the job, operate according to manufacturer's instructions like what we discussed from previous week, use the right PPE. Again, so there are 3 key factors in tool maintenance: clean your tools, oil your tools, so nilalangisan din yan, and replace worn out tools. Okay. Next is the video. I will just attach this on your canvas and you might just be able to watch it. Okay? Para kasi maghahang lang kapag shinare ko while playing it. Okay? And so there are 2 videos, obviously. So that is all, no? For the hand and power tools that we can find on board. Questions, class?
We have quiz po ba, sir?
Yes, we have quiz. Okay? So, just take out the quiz. Week 13 tayo.
Sir,